doing? Thank you so much for being here and watching. I hope you are all safe and well. Today we're opening up a subscription, or actually a couple of them, that I haven't opened a while on my channel. I feel so bad they somehow just got lost in my pile of boxes, but I think this is a perfect subscription service for current times. So we're opening up one of Annie's Kit Clubs today. So there are 12 total subscriptions you can get through Annie's Kit Clubs, and all of them are about learning a new craft or maybe enhancing your skills for crafts. And now that a lot of us are at home, you know, we have more time to do things, and I think this would really help keep you occupied. They're also all very affordable. And I actually have a code with Annie's that will save you 50% off your first subscription for all of the boxes. So the box we're opening today is the Creative Woman Kit of the Month Club. So in this subscription you get a new craft sent to you every single month, and it is super fun. So normally it costs $19.99, but with my code you will get your first box for only $9.99. So I am going to leave the link and my code down below if you're interested, and also you can use that link to check out the other 11 subscription options. So today we're going to open up both the March and the April Annie's Kit Club, and then I have some past ones too to show you, just so you can get an idea of what the crafts are. I really can't wait to start doing these. I can't believe I forgot to post videos on this for so long, but anyways, let's get started. So they come in mailer bags that look like this. Yeah, let's start with March. I tried to make it obvious what one was what, but I guess it doesn't really matter. But I think this one is the March. So here it is. It is Sweet Birthday is the theme. And inside here you will have pretty much everything you need to make the craft. Sometimes you'll need some things from home. Let me get this open. And there'll be directions. This looks super cute. I actually have a friend's birthday coming up in just a few days, so I can, you know, maybe use this, but let's see what this is all about. So here right on top is a card that says what we're doing. And on the inside, it looks like it lists what comes in your kit and what else you'll need. And then there's technique guides. And then I guess there's different options of what we can make with this. So it gives you step-by-step instructions, which is great. So in our kit, oh man, everything looks so cute. Oh, before we get started, I just wanted to mention, I think my next few videos are all going to be subscriptions that are great for staying inside and for new hobbies, so stay tuned for that. But let's get back to it. So what is inside? It says you get some cards. I think these are the cards here. It looks like we have some blank cards and envelopes. Now is a perfect time to like send some snail mail to someone you love too, just to brighten their day, because we can all use that. Every single person around the world could use a little brightening. So yeah, here are some envelopes, and then here are some blank cards, and it looks like we have them in like a teal and a purple color, so super pretty. We also have some cardstock. So here are the cardstocks here. So we have a bunch of different patterns. These are so cute. There's some pattern papers, says too. Oh, and they're different on each side. So there's so many different options you could use for this. Hopefully you guys can see. And it looks like we have die cut sheets. I'm not sure exactly what that is. Acetate sheets, some ribbons, and self-cling rubber stamps. I think these are the rubber stamps here. And then there are all these stickers here that are so cute, or at least I think they're stickers. We might have to like glue them on, I'm not sure. But there's 2 pages of these here. I think this is so adorable. So from home, you'll need an acrylic stamping block, nickel, ruler, pencil, scissors or a paper cutter, blank ink pad or marker, and adhesives. So you do need some things, but just from getting the subscription in the past, I have some of these already, and I think most of us have like scissors and pencils and all of that at home. So then it goes into technique guides, layering cardstock, die cuts, and printed paper on cards adds texture and definition. Use adhesive foam dots to lift layered pieces to add dimension and style to an otherwise flat card. And then it talks about stamping. It says use an acrylic block to hold stamps in place. Load stamp with ink by lightly tapping it onto an ink pad or coloring it with a marker. Placing a piece of foam under the paper will aid in producing a crisper stamp image. And then it goes into all the different cards you can make. So the first one's Happy Birthday Cupcake. So, hopefully you guys can see that well. And then the next one is Sweet Wishes. It's on the bottom there. One says Celebrate. Aren't these so cute? And then on the back it says you can never have too many sprinkles. You can kind of see the completed cards there. So I can't wait to do this. Like I said, I have a friend that has a birthday coming up. So yeah, and I have several friends in May too, and time flies, so I could make several cards. It looks like you can make at least 8 in here, so that is awesome. Oh, and I didn't show you this. So this is the ribbon and what you would stamp on there. So it says, have a sweet birthday, you can never have too many sprinkles, and sweet wishes. Then there's a heart as well, and the ribbon's purple and white. So I think that is super cute. So now let's open up the April craft. So here is the April craft. It says Flower Market Magnets. Let's get this out. I made some magnets in the past that I still have. Or that was probably like a year ago. So here is the instruction pamphlet. You can get a sneak peek of what the magnets will look like, which is super cute. So inside you get some wooden blocks. You get some paint, foam paintbrush, which is in here, sealer, sandpaper, rub-ons, craft stick, and magnets. And from home, all you'll need is a paper towel, paper plate, and scissors. And then it gives you some helpful hints. It says read all the hints before you begin. Make sure to cover your work surface, and it talks about how to use acrylic paint. And then it talks about getting started. So it'll walk you step by step. It looks like you have to prep the wooden blocks, then paint them, and then you get to use these. Ooh, these are the rub-ons. And I've done this before, like a rub-ons before, and it actually is pretty simple to do, but these are so cute and very spring. One says home, the earth laughs and flowers, plant dreams and grow a happy life, enjoy the little things, choose happy. Like, these are seriously so cute. And you can see this little stick here. All you do is put this on the wood and then use the stick and it rubs right on. It's super easy and turns out so well. I think I like that choose happy one the best that they're showing here. You can kind of see it completed. So when you're done rubbing it on, you just use a sealant over it. So yeah, this is a super cute, fun craft. And I should add, I am not a very crafty person. This is kind of expanding like my hobbies and stuff. So all skill levels can use these kit clubs from Annie's. So that was the March and April box. And now I don't know what order these are, but I'm going to show you what we got in the past. So this one I'm super excited to do. I can't believe I didn't realize I had it here. But this one is making candles. So you can like see the soy wax in the back and the little tins. And it looks like you can make several different scents. There's lavender and bergamot, vanilla and lavender, and then bergamot and vanilla. And I just think this will be so fun. I can't wait to do this one. I love candles. And then 1 month we received romance, it's called, is the theme, and you make these pretty jewelry pieces. Sorry if the plastic is reflective, but you can see in here you get all the beads and everything. So I think these are super cute. Maybe I will make these and either wear them myself or send them as a gift. I think that would be such a great gift. This one is Sweet Shakers. So I think these are cards, but they have like little glitter in them that you can shake. You can see it all on the back here. So a bunch of cute cardstock I can use also in the March box, the one where I'm gonna make cards for my friends. This one must have been around Christmas time. This is to make felt ornaments. And you see all the felt and everything inside. And then this one must have been around Thanksgiving. Well, I can't believe I haven't opened these in so long. Oh, this is so cute. The theme is Thankful for Fall. And you make this sign that says thankful. I've made a sign through Annie's Kit Club, well not a sign, it was like 4 blocks, it says home, and I still have that down in my living room. So I think this is so great. I can't wait to start like expanding my hobbies and doing more crafts and stuff at home. So I thought this was a perfect time to share the subscription with you guys. You know, it's great watching YouTube and Netflix. By the way, I'm almost done with Ozark Season 3. So good. Don't ruin it for me though. But yeah, I think this is a great thing to do. And also you can do it as a family or with friends or whoever you're home with or yourself. I live alone. Well, actually I do have a roommate, but they're not around often, so I understand being alone. And this is something you can do alone or with others, so I think this is great. Anyways, again, I'm gonna leave the link down below along with that promo code to save you 50% on your first box. There's like no long-term commitments or anything like that, so you can see how you like it. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching. I hope you're well. Leave a comment down below. How are you guys passing time if you're at home? And if you are working still and you're an essential worker, thank you so much for all that you do. We truly appreciate it. I know you're putting yourself out there and it's so risky. But yeah, know you're appreciated. We love you and I love all of you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.